Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your computer is shutting down instead of being put to sleep. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up in the top right to large icons, and then you want to go down and select power options from this list. Select where it says choose what the power buttons do over here on the left, and then select where it says change settings that are currently unavailable. If there's an option here to turn on fast startup, I'd recommend unchecking that option and then selecting the save changes button, and then hopefully that would resolve the problem. Something else you can try here as well, if you close out of here and open up the search menu, type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to go ahead and just expand all the devices in here. So just kind of go through the list. If you find anything that has an exclamation mark in the picture of the icon, you want to right click on it and select properties. And you'd want to select the driver tab and then update driver, browse my computer for drivers. And then you would select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and then select next. Again, if you had a manufacturer specific one, I recommend selecting that. Otherwise, you can select the generic driver option they present. And hopefully, again, that would be able to resolve the problem. You may also want to look further underneath System Devices and double click on it. If you notice anything in here that says Intel Management Engine Interface, you would right click on it and then select Properties. And again, you would want to go ahead and try and update that driver. So again, locate the Intel Management Engine interface if you have one in here. You might not. It doesn't particularly apply universally, but you may have it in there, so just keep an eye out for that. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and just close out of here. And then, like I said, hopefully your issues should have been resolved at this point. And one final thing we can try as well, if you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to go ahead and just type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that has concluded, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.